For this problem, I'm gonna be using some of the numbers that we used in the previous problem. And here, basically, they're just telling you that all points are 1 unit from the origin. And they are, okay, they are. There is a way to also show that all of these points are 1, but we can also use something that you have seen before, and that is the Pythagorean theorem. So the Pythagorean theorem, as you said, as you remember, means that you have a right triangle, and the areas of those of the sides, the area of the sides of the triangles, okay, if you add these two areas, this one plus this one, you should get the longest area, right, of the longest side, which is gonna have a longer area, a bigger area from those two sides right here. So if we take the same approach here, the reason why this is true is because when you have, let's say that this point right here, it's 3/5, and then 4/5. That's it. That's the point. Okay. You want to know how much is the hypotenuse here. So one of them is 3/5. Okay, let's say this one, and then the other one is 4/5. So if you apply the Pythagorean theorem, okay, you already know what the longest side is. What's the longest side? What is the length from here to here in this unit circle? If you were paying attention in the do now, you will be able to tell me what is C. Okay, so go back and review the do now if you don't know that answer. Let me ask again, what is the radius in this unit circle? If you said, I don't know, and you put a name to my name, okay, then go back and watch the do now. But if you said 1, then you're right, okay. Yeah, the unit circle, it's the circle with the radius of 1. So the hypotenuse here in this case, it's 1. And just to make sure that we understand, this is the right angle. So if I add this up, I'm going to say 3/5 plus 4/5 and all that squared, that would equal 1. Why? Because 9/5 actually, plus 16/25 is 1. 25. 9 plus 16 is 25, and 25/25 is 1. So all points are 1 in the unit circle if you're trying to prove what's the radius. So it doesn't matter where you put them, okay. You're always forming a right triangle, and the right triangle is the longest side, okay. So it doesn't matter where you are, you will always show that the radius is 1. So basically, this is what you're showing in this problem.